I just hit my sausage in my bowl in the microwave, chopped it up a little bit. I'm gonna throw my eggs in there. I rinsed off my broccoli,
every single day,
my cauliflower, just throw it off in my bowl. Now I got my sausage at the bottom. My cauliflower and my broccoli broke down in there. Now I'm gonna throw my eggs on top. Nice little sausage patty like with sausage. Before I even stir it up, I start putting my goodies in there. Little onion powder. This that hickory molasses I was telling you about. It got about less than 1 gram of carbs in it. But it's that hickory molasses smoke type flavor to it. Good flavor. But if you use some Atkins or anything like that. Right. Turmeric is just good for you, you know what I'm saying? You can study the benefits of that. This is what mustard is made out of. I throw that in there. Always good to get it down with some eggs. And my last little piece, a little garlic salt, man. If you wanted to, if you want to have it more slimy or whatever, more liquid, you can use some milk, a little bit of milk. For me, I got the oil from the sausage in there. So when I get through slapping that around like that, man, and put this in the microwave, let them eggs go ahead and do the scramble thing, and the natural waters from the broccoli and cauliflower come out of that, boom. Some good stuff right there, man. So I'm gonna throw it in the microwave. It's starting to do its thing, boy. I don't want to drop my bowl. I'll show you this close up, boy. Now just think, you can put some cheese in there if you want to. The sausage, broccoli, cauliflower. Hope you can see this. You know what I'm saying? You can throw you some cheese on there too if you want to, some salsa. Come on, dog. You ain't spiking blood sugar with that, man. That's off chain right there.